Here we got an education video where you can learn about the Photoshop basics and also for the advanced. So we can use different tools here to make unique designs and also get the idea of using the shapes, editing the pictures here. Different tools we will use that will use for the different purposes. Also add some designs here. So let's make the changes. I will use the elliptical shape here. Also make the designs to use and make it unique.